Are you creating great content but struggling to keep your team informed about what's being published? Let me show you how to automatically summarize new WordPress blog posts and then email the highlights to your team, so everyone stays aligned without having to read every article. Let's jump into this workflow.
First, the workflow monitors your WordPress site for new published posts. You can change the frequency it checks based on your publishing schedule. Next, AI reads through your new blog post and creates a concise, digestible summary that captures the key points, main takeaways, and essential information. This gives your team the highlights without requiring them to read the full article. Finally, the AI summary gets sent using the built-in email app. Customize your subject line and add your marketing team, sales staff, or customer support so they instantly know what content is live and what messages to reinforce. And that's how you keep everyone informed of new blog articles. So get MESA, the AI automation platform that helps you do more with less effort. Get started today with templates like this one or build your own workflows from scratch. Make it happen at getmesa.com.